When I asked a repairman or technician to actually check this out, it was saying that this model of Whirlpool has a motherboard circuit issue, so it's not gonna be fixed. So I had to actually replace the washer because again I need a washer, right? So I'm not gonna wait like 3 months to actually like get a replacement part and then not use anything, right? So yeah, so I purchased a new one, and the drain pan underneath the washer is not fitting the new washer, so I had to like take it out too. Hi guys, so this is the new washer that I got from Lowe's. So this one is a GE brand, Ultra Fresh. I got this one again because the old washer that I have was broken. I think it was like there's a manufacturing defect based on the what the repair guy that I asked to check out the equipment last time. So he was saying that the newer models of the Whirlpool, because it was a Whirlpool manufacturer, the motherboard circuit was kind of like messed up, so it was started to act up. It was sensing that there's water, but there's not really water on the washer, but it's still like running. So it was like, you can't really fix like a circuit. It's gonna be expensive. And then if I ask to like have it switch to replace the motherboard, it's gonna take a while because of there's a backlog of like parts that are being ordered, and then just by a lot of people who actually need the motherboard with the same issue as well. So I got this one. So hopefully this one. I'm just worried about like the drain pan because again, if you go like in the bottom, they took out the drain pan over here because the drain pan from the previous washer was smaller, so it's not fitting this bigger size over here of the GE. So hopefully it's not gonna like flood over here. Again, worst case scenario, I'm just gonna like get a customized or buy a bigger drain pan that would fit for this area with both the washer and dryer. After the guy installed the washer, they kind of test the washer if it's working, so they can run it without anything on. So right now it's running. It has 2 minutes left. It's so cool though. Like you have like a lot of options with this. It's also smart washer because you can actually connect using Bluetooth connection. So, but there's a lot of like options over here. I'm kind of worried about like smart models sometimes. Like if it has too much functionality. I mean that it's gonna break faster. So hopefully it's not the case over here. And over here there's a lot of options again with the rinse, the temp, and then the amount of soil. Also you can pick the ultra vent fresh. I'm guessing it's like gonna help you to actually like vent out the odor from the laundry. It's kind of like foul and stuff. Like it's super dirty. And then this one is still running, so you can actually see. The only thing also that I saw like from the other people who bought this kind of like product, like they were complaining about the seal, like the blue seal over here, that when they use it for like how many months it started to wear out, and kind of like there's like water stains on the seal. So hopefully if I just maintain it, it's not gonna like that damage. Over here again, more information. It's like how does it saves energy guide. And also over here a manual. I will tell you again. I'm just gonna like look at this one. Let's see again, product info, promotions. All right, over here like installation guide. This is Spanish. So all right, the other side will be English, and then we'll tell you like how to install and what are the controls. Over here it tells you like what options you can choose when it comes to wash, spin, and other stuff. I'm just gonna read it on my own time, just to explore, and then I'm gonna try to use it also. Let's see. I'm gonna try to wash my clothes, and see if it's gonna have the issue like flooding or not working properly, so I can actually like reach out to Lowe's and kind of like order like a tech to actually like fix the problem instead of me like worrying about this one. So I'm just putting some clothes on it, and then I'm gonna try to wash the clothes
Like looks cool. I like the color. Like there's two versions of this one, this blue color and then also like the silver one, like white. But I chose this one, it's different. So I'm gonna put like a detergent over here. Again, if you're using a washer, I'm not gonna like put too much. Again, you're not gonna try to like build up some scale on your washer. And then I'm gonna pick a normal wash cycle once I turn it on. I'm just gonna put like normal on all the other settings over here. But next time I'm gonna explore like the other options. It has a lot. Like I mean, you know, it's like a Tesla, a washer over here. There's a lot of like functionality, but it's cool. It makes you think sometimes. But again, I also appreciate like the simple models because it's easy to use and it kind of like longer duration. But thank you guys for watching.